WireBend-Kit design and fabrication toolkit for wire bending, custom 3D wireframe structures. Our pipelines consist of two key parts: a design tool for design and animation, and a wire bending machine for fabrication. Users load a 3D stencil, then trace a wireframe by clicking its vertices, and delete the stencil. Vertices and edges can then be added to continue refining the wireframe. Once done, users can run 3 checks to check the wireframe's fabricability. Check a continuous path exists. If OK, all vertices and path appear green. Check maximum bend angles not exceeded. If OK, vertices at bends appear green. Check minimum feed length is not exceeded. If OK, edges appear green. Here we show how to resolve each violated fabrication constraint. We add an edge to connect 2 vertices. It passes the minimum length check. But now, no continuous path exists, highlighting the vertices of concern red. We delete the edge to resolve this, and the continuous path check succeeds. Next, we edit a vertex to increase a bend angle past the maximum of 155 degrees. And the maximum bend angle check shows the vertex at the problematic bend red. We decrease the angle to resolve the issue, and the bend angle check succeeds. Finally, we shorten an edge length, past the minimum of 25 millimeters, and the minimum feed length check highlights the violated feed in red. We lengthen the edge to resolve the issue and finally run all checks again. With all checks passed, we generate a path and animate the fabrication process. First, users can calculate real fabrication times and set the animation speed. The animation can be used to confirm the part looks as intended and to detect potential self-intersections. Once satisfied, the instructions are exported. Instructions consist of feed, bend, and rotate commands. On export, instructions are processed for error correction and ready for fabrication. The instructions are sent to the wire bender via a GUI, which transmits these to an Arduino Uno. The GUI displays the next fabrication step and can also send individual fabrication steps manually. Our wire bending machine kit costs $293 in parts and is modularly designed as 4 sub-assemblies. The feed wheels drive wire forward into the nozzle and the tail rail, which passively supports the rear end of the wire on a sliding cart. The bending assembly bends and physically deforms the wire. The rotation assembly rotates the bending assembly, changing the bending plane. The frame assembly holds the machine together and houses the primary electronics. WireBend-Kit's design tool and wire bending machine support rapid creation of wireframe structures from inexpensive recyclable aluminum wire. Here it makes a cube. Now a model house. A cup holder. A pegboard holder. Phone stand. A spring. And that's WireBend-Kit.